Hello everyone, let's take a look at how to create a translucent material in Unreal Engine 5. So here I made a very quick potion bottle with a glass casing, and I've already exported it to Unreal Engine. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and if we just come here, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's fully opaque. So let's take a look at our material. So this material, and if we come here, I have my potion bottle set, and as we can see, we have. If we come here to my base material, let me just maximize this. Here we go. If we come here to our base material, we have our texture sample, RGB, with our alpha channel connected to opacity, but as we can see, our opacity is grayed out. Our normal map on the normal, the emissive color goes to the emissive, and our texture sample, we have ambient occlusion, green on roughness, and blue on specular. So what we do is we select our output node, our result node, and the first thing we're going to do is here opaque, we're going to select translucent. And also here in lighting mode, normally we have volumetric non-directional. We will just, we have volumetric non-directional by default, which is it is the default option, volumetric non-directional. But if it's on, we can see that we lose the metallic, roughness, and normal options. So what we want is to get the surface translucency volume. The reason that this is not on by default, it's just because it's a slightly more expensive material and not everything is translucent. So that, and sometimes translucency can create some issues. One more thing that we are going to take a look at is that in Substance Painter, we are going to export things as a target. PNGs don't really have an alpha channel. By default, I heard that you can just force one into them, but I don't think by default they will have transparency, but they will not have an alpha channel. I don't know exactly the mathematics of why that happens. It just is. But if we actually come here to my Photoshop, and I'll just open, for example, anything here that is a PNG. Do I have PNGs here actually? Just very quickly. Target, EDS. No, I'll just open the potion bottle. This one here, target. And as we can see, if we come from layers to channels, we have our red RGB, our red channel, again, from completely white to completely dark, where completely white would be red, same thing with green and blue. And then if we come here to alpha, we get white completely opaque and translucent. Black would be completely translucent, and I made something that is semi-translucent. So this is, but if we just come here, new, I'll just create a new image. I'll pick up a brush, and I'll just do this. If we come here to channels, we do not have an alpha channel PNG. So if I come here, file, save as, and let me just save this to my desktop and save it as a PNG. Save. Oh, actually, I do have some PNGs actually which actually makes even more the point. So let me just close this one. File, open, desktop. If we open a PNG, we can just see that there is no alpha channel. They don't come with one included. I believe the biggest advantage with PNGs is that they can you can actually go at 32 bits in terms of images, and targets are locked at date. But that's something I still need to confirm. Anyway, um, I hope you found this useful. We just now save it, and I hope you have found this useful. And here we go. Our mask, it's not completely translucent. Maybe I should get the opacity a little bit better. I'm not very happy with this translucency, but yeah. Anyway, this is how to create a translucent material in Unreal Engine that also includes ORM and normal maps. Thank you.